If smartwatches had a boss level, this would be it. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro isn't just rugged, it's absurdly overbuilt, like a tank that learned Pilates. At $399, it undercuts Garmin's Fenix line while flexing specs that scream, "Try me." I've tested it on trails, dives, and one reckless cliff run, and, spoiler, it didn't flinch. It's a dino-sized disruptor, half the price of a Garmin Fenix, but packing enough punch to make 'em sweat. I strapped the 48mm beast, tactical black of course, on for weeks of trail runs, ocean dips, and one accidental cliffside scramble. It's like Amazfit fed a G-Shock steroids and a PhD in GPS. Available in 48mm, 700 mAh battery, or slimmer 44mm, 500 mAh for smaller wrists, with grade 5 titanium bezel/buttons, fiber-reinforced polymer case, and sapphire glass that shrugs off scratches like a pro wrestler. At 52 grams, it's hefty but comfy. No more wrist workout complaints. The star? That 1.5-inch or 1.32-inch AMOLED screen blasting 3,000 nits, brighter than my future after one too many tacos, with 480 by 480 resolution for crisp topo maps that stay visible in blizzard glare. Durability? 10 ATM water-resistant, 100 meters static, 45 meters scuba, and low-temp mode down to minus 30 degrees Celsius. I tested it in a freak October chill, and it didn't flinch. Built-in LED flashlight, 200 to 300 lux. Genius for midnight hikes. Brighter than my phone, no fumbling. Fitness firepower, 187 modes. HYROX, spearfishing, esports, yes, really. Auto-detecting 25 strength moves, though it skipped my burpees like a shy date. Pair with HelioStrap for elite accuracy, or sync to Strava/Training Peaks for pro plans. ZepCoach AI templates adapt like a sarcastic trainer. Nice effort, but pick up the pace, slacker. Smart Smarts. Bluetooth calls, clear but phone-tethered. ZepFlow AI, OpenAI Lite for reminders and weather. Music control, Spotify via phone, and notifications that don't nag. Battery? Ludicrous. 25 days typical, 17 on 44mm. 38 hours accurate GPS, 74 power save, down to 10 days heavy use. I hit 12 days with always-on, daily runs, and flashlight fiestas before a 2-hour magnetic recharge, USB-C puck, no cable included. Eco-win? The dino-sized dings? Zep apps a cluttered jungle. Setups a tap-fest, training load metrics lag Garmin's, no LTE, offline king but no calls sans phone, and navigation needs 50-meter deviation for alerts, fine for trails, finicky for cities. No rotating crown, buttons rule, but they're titanium tough. Verdict? For trailblazers on a budget, this Pro Dyno devours premiums. Epic battery, bombproof build, and features that flex without the flex price. It's not flawless, but it'll outlast your excuses. Grab it if you're conquering peaks, not spreadsheets. Thank you for sticking till the end. Please like and subscribe for more gear grinds.